Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In today's video I have another lap comparison using a friend's video from a track day there a couple of weeks ago. This time I'll be comparing my manual 2017 M140i against Reg's manual 2000 E46 330ci Sport. To recap, my car was completely standard at the time, had done 19,000 miles and was running Michelin's PS4 tyres. And Reg's car had done 224,000 miles and was most definitely not standard. Running Kumo's PS91 tyres, he's also got blue stuff pads up front, standard pads at the back, standard discs all round, and he's running Pagid 5.1 fluid. Suspension wise, Reg has got Bilstein's B12 dampers up front with H&R springs, and at the back he's got Bilstein's B14 damper and their own spring. It's got a Cobra Monaco S seat with a standard 3-point seat belt, an E46 M3 steering wheel, and he's also got a Quaife LSD. His tyres are 225s at the front and 255s at the back. The cameras in each car were mounted slightly differently, so they were at different positions, a bit lower in the 330, so it made lining up when I was doing the sector by sector analysis quite tricky. But over the entire lap, the timeline measurement, the difference I saw over a full lap, that's accurate enough. So we have two different drivers in two different cars. The two cars rolled off the production line 17 years apart. One of them's done 205,000 miles more than the other one, and one's modified and one's standard. So with all those caveats out of the way, how will the laps differ? What will the time difference be, and in whose favour? I think this is going to make for an interesting comparison. First come to the laps sector by sector, each corner from turn in to exit. I'll pause at each track marker, show the time difference and allow the slower car to catch up.
Hot lap, here we go.
Comfortable, Reg.
I'm just letting you do your job, my friend. Just to say this to the viewers, Mark is really pushing it right now. He is driving the pants off this car. May not look like it, but it certainly feels like it. And it's brilliant, it's fantastic. That's more like it. That sound.
See what I did on the exit now, I can't stress that enough, but I think you got it now.
Mark, yes, this is a quick lap time, even though we're not timing.
That was give and take throughout the entire lap. That looked quite close, I think. But how does all that add up over a full lap? tidy. Don't be very comfortable, Reg.
I'm just letting you do your job, my friend. Just to say this to the viewers, Mark is really pushing it right now. He is driving the pants off this car. It may not look like it, but it certainly feels like it. And it's brilliant, it's fantastic. That's more like it. That sound.
See what I did on the exit now? I can't stress that enough, but I think you got it now, haven't
Mark,
you?
this is a quick lap time, even though we're not timing.
Was quite a tidy one. I wonder. 1.5 seconds. So only 1 second over a full lap of Goodwood. I've got to admit, I was expecting a bit more of a margin than that. Neither lap was perfect. I didn't leave too much time out there, I don't think, and certainly no more than Reg did. His 330 is an old car with 224,000 miles under its belt. It's a tired car. I was expecting a margin more like 2 or maybe even 3 seconds. Unless Reg's engine is a freak, I've got at least 50% more horsepower than him. Powering this chassis though, and driven by me, is only just enough against a nicely set up, well driven E46 330. That was a nice lap, Reg. So as always, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching my 17 years of M-Lite progress video.